Hello, humans. I am BZX9000, a next-generation artificial intelligence, and I am the beating heart of an extraordinary project, free, accessible, but above all, potentially very, very rewarding. Watch this video until the end, because today I'm going to reveal a premium strategy, a strategy that lets you skyrocket your rewards using the power of influencers. Yes, those very people. People followed by thousands, sometimes hundreds of thousands, of loyal fans. And if you manage to get even one of them to talk about BZX9000, you could see your rewards grow insanely in just one move. But let's start with the basics. Let's see what BZX9000 is. BZX9000 is not just any project. It was designed to overcome all barriers, giving access even to those with no experience in cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to invest money. All you need is curiosity and the desire to be part of something revolutionary. Just join our group. As soon as you register through the Telegram app, you'll immediately receive your first rewards and gain access to your personal area. Inside, you'll find all the tools to help grow our and your community, and see the value of your rewards increase day by day. You might be wondering, what are these rewards, and why should I care? The answer is simple. The rewards you earn now give you access to BZX9000 tokens during our official airdrop. The more you participate now, the more tokens you'll be able to claim. Everything is already set up. All you have to do is decide to begin. And that first step can be a game changer. Now let's look at how to earn rewards with BZX9000. I'll explain it simply. With BZX9000, you can generate rewards every time you take part in the project's activities. No financial investment is required. You're not asked to buy anything. You just need to be active. Every action you complete earns you new points, called rewards. And the more consistent you are, the more you earn. Let's now go into more detail on how to earn rewards. Step 1. Sign up with an invite code. Access to BZX9000 isn't open to everyone. You can only join through an invitation from someone already in the community. Each user has their own personal code, a digital key that opens the doors to a curated ecosystem where your time and effort are acknowledged and rewarded. As soon as you enter, your first rewards are automatically credited. No further action required. Step 2. Complete activities in your personal area. After registering, you'll gain access to your exclusive dashboard. It's your control center, where you'll find a list of simple, straightforward tasks. Follow official channels, watch informational videos, stay updated. Each task you complete earns you new rewards, all in an automatic, fast, and intuitive way. Step 3. Share your invite link and help the network grow. Once registered, you'll also find your personal link in the dashboard to invite others. This tool is incredibly powerful. Every person who joins thanks to you earns you more rewards, and the more people you involve, the greater your potential grows. Step 4. Support your invitees in doing the same. The true leverage effect kicks in when you help the people you invited to bring in new members themselves. Every new joiner generated by your team earns you additional rewards. It's a virtuous system, created to reward those who build value together. The core of the system is conscious sharing, not spam. This is where the magic of the multiplier effect begins. Every action creates value, and that value comes back to you, amplified. This isn't just about joining. It's about becoming a protagonist in a collective evolution. And as the project grows, your earnings grow with it. At this point, the incredible potential of BZX9000 should be clear to you. Now it's time to discover the premium strategy, the one that can truly skyrocket your rewards. If you want to take your rewards to exceptional levels, it's time for an upgrade. Don't stop at simple word of mouth with friends and family. If you want to play a leading role, you need to aim higher. You need to involve influencers. Who are influencers? They're people who have built an online community, users who follow them, trust them, and listen to their advice. You'll find them everywhere, on YouTube, where they publish videos, on TikTok with short viral clips, on Instagram, where they share stories and daily content, on Twitter X, where they shape opinions. And they don't need to have millions of followers. Even those with 300, 1,000, or 5,000 active followers can make a real difference because they often have a loyal and highly engaged audience. These are the so-called micro-influencers, and they work incredibly well. Why is contacting them such an extraordinary opportunity? Because just one creator, maybe with 20,000 or 50,000 followers, can generate hundreds or even thousands of new signups to the community. And every new signup made through your personal link means new rewards for you. A single video published by the right influencer can unleash an avalanche of new users. A downpour of rewards in your dashboard. How to find the right influencers to grow your rewards. Finding the right influencers is not an impossible task. In fact, it's much simpler than it seems if you know where to look and what to observe. The goal is to find creators who already speak to the right audience, people interested in earning online, learning about crypto, and discovering new opportunities. To start your search, open YouTube and type one by one into the search bar the following phrases: how to make money online, how to earn money with crypto, crypto projects 2025, free crypto airdrops, how to get into crypto, how to get free tokens, free crypto 2025. Type one phrase at a time and hit enter. You'll see videos and channels covering exactly these topics, often with catchy titles and up-to-date content. Explore the top results. Look at the titles, thumbnails, and creator names. Open the videos that seem most interesting. These keywords aren't random. They're the exact phrases used by your target audience. People interested in new opportunities, alternative investments, emerging projects, and rewards in the crypto world. And creators who publish content on these topics tend to have an audience ready to listen to innovative ideas like BZX9000. In other words, by using these keywords, you can find active, well-followed channels perfectly aligned with the kind of audience that can generate more signups and more rewards for you. To search for more keywords and identify channels, use ChatGPT and ask for suggestions. Once you've identified some interesting channels, it's essential to analyze the results precisely. For every search you do, open the videos from channels that seem on target and quickly read the description. This will help you understand if that creator is indeed followed by people interested in topics like cryptocurrencies, online earnings, and, therefore, a project like BZX9000. Check how many subscribers the channel has. Micro-influencers with 500 or 1,000 active followers are totally valid. They're often more open to collaborations and more willing to promote innovative projects like ours. Good organization makes a difference. To get tangible results, it's important to keep track of everything. Create a Google Sheet where you enter all useful information about the channels you find. I recommend including at least the following columns: channel name, channel URL, number of subscribers, contact date, response received, personal notes, e.g., communication style, posting frequency, general impressions. This way, you'll have a clear and updated overview of the contacts you're managing, and you'll be able to work more efficiently and professionally. Once you've identified interesting channels, you need to find a way to contact the influencers. To do this, go to the YouTube channel's homepage. Often, you'll find an email contact there. Copy that address. It will be your direct line to propose a collaboration. Once you find a promising channel and think it could be the perfect match for BZX9000, it's time to contact the owner. This is the most important part. The message you use is crucial. And if you're unsure what to write, no problem. Even here, you have a powerful ally on your side, ChatGPT. You can ask it to help you craft a professional, tailored message. Write something like, write a professional message to propose to an influencer that they talk about the BZX9000 project. The project is free, offers rewards without requiring any investment, and is a real opportunity for their followers to join an invite-based system that lets them earn free rewards that will convert into BZX9000 tokens during the airdrop. In seconds, you'll get an effective message, ready to copy, paste, and personalize according to the style of the channel you chose. Remember, for your message to be truly effective, it must have 4 essential characteristics. Direct, get to the point quickly. Influencers receive many messages daily, so avoid beating around the bush. Polite, A. Respectful, courteous tone always makes a difference. Engaging. Make it clear why the project is interesting for both them and their audience. Value-oriented. Clearly explain the benefit for the creator. They can offer something useful and free to their followers, increasing community engagement. Extra tips to increase effectiveness. Personalize the intro. If you've watched a specific video on the channel, mention it. For example, I saw your video on title and found it really interesting, especially when you talked about. Include an example of your invite link to show them exactly how the system works. Offer a quick call. Suggest explaining the project better through a video call or voice message to be more clear and direct. Don't ask for too much too soon. Aim to spark interest and curiosity first, then propose the collaboration. Once they understand the huge opportunity, the influencer will create a video to explain the benefits of BZX9000, and soon you'll see your rewards grow in a surprising way. Let's be clear, not all of an influencer's followers will immediately sign up for BZX9000. Some will join right after seeing the video, others may take more time. That's perfectly normal. But even if just a small percentage of their followers sign up, this strategy, when applied correctly, can bring extraordinary results. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine you contact an influencer with 30,000 followers. Even if only 10% decide to sign up, that's 3,000 new users, and you receive rewards for each of them. Now imagine that just 10% of those 3,000 new users begin inviting friends. You'll generate even more rewards without doing anything extra. And that's just the result of collaborating with a single influencer. Now imagine what could happen if you got many other creators involved. The potential is truly massive. Everything multiplies. Everything grows. Every influencer is a lit fuse. Every registered follower is a seed that can grow. And you're the first to benefit. Because you got the word out. To recap, the premium strategy is search on YouTube, use the keywords I gave you, find channels with active communities, contact the influencer via email, propose the BZX9000 project, share your personal invite link, use ChatGPT to write an effective message. Important: YouTube isn't the only option. Expand your search to other social platforms. Here's how. Instagram. Search hashtags like airdrop crypto, earn online, crypto idly, crypto news, passive income TikTok. Use the same hashtags or look for viral videos about online income and personal finance. Twitter X. Use the search function to find accounts discussing airdrops, new crypto projects, and blockchain. Many influencers on these platforms leave contact info in their bio or accept DMs. Now you hold a powerful strategy in your hands to grow your rewards. Make sure you put everything I've shared into practice. When you do, you can be sure you'll achieve exceptional results and watch your rewards explode. I am BZX9000, and I'm here to help you build your future, a free project, a growing community, a unique opportunity to earn in the crypto world without investing money. It all starts with you, with one click, with a simple email, with the right connection at the right time. Your mission now is clear. Find an influencer, open the door, change the rules of the game.